In this video, we're going to show you how to install the front sway bar end link on your Ford 500, located right here on the back side of your front strut. Now, if you have a hubcap, go ahead and give that a gentle tug outward, pop that off and set it aside. Using your 19mm socket, loosen and remove the 5 lug nuts. Grab your wheel, pull it off, and set it aside. Disconnect your upper sway bar end link from the strut using a 15mm socket. Yours may vary depending on if that sway bar end link has ever been replaced before. Now, if the stud here is spinning with the nut, go ahead and put a wrench on the back side. You can go ahead and use our hammer and go ahead and just tap that out. Use your 15mm socket, go ahead and loosen and remove the nut on the end here. And continue to do this here until it comes off. And all right, once we get that nut off, slide, feed the new link up in. Get the nut installed. Use our 15mm here and snug that down. Snug that into position. Now, to install our upper end link here, it just won't fit in there. We're going to use our pry bar and put it between the tie rod end and the sway bar and just pry that down a little bit. Use this as leverage, pry it down, and slide the upper link into place. Now hold that in place, install that nut. And tighten that down. Once that's tight, you can go ahead and remove your pry bar. Torque the upper sway bar end link nut to 41 foot-pounds. Torque the lower nut on the sway bar end link to 41 foot-pounds. Go ahead and line up the wheel with the lug nuts. Install all of the lug nuts by hand first, or at least get them started a few threads. Once these are all started, we'll go ahead and snug them down. Using your torque wrench, go ahead and torque the lug nuts down to 95 foot-pounds. Now, when installing the hubcap here, you want to go ahead and make sure that the little notch lines up with the valve stem. You're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.